So as you guys could tell, the bearings are rather stiff on this fan. I tried some WD-40, and it helped a little bit, but as you can see, they're still rather stiff. And the fan is also kind of wobbly too. I converted it to ball socket, but I don't think the ball socket is a perfect fit. So, like I said, this is definitely only a temporary install just for the video. I think should I? Yeah, I should probably. I'll do reverse. If I can find the. Yeah, I think the switch is. Yep, it's up here. Yep. There we go. So yeah, it obviously needs some work, but I'd say other than the bearings and the wobble, it's actually in pretty good shape. The light has like all the lights in good shape, and like the finish is in pretty good shape and stuff. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.